When I launched my home staging business, one thing was sure: I needed marketing to grow and attract agents. But the problem, I did not have an advertising budget. I had to go with what was available to me: open houses. My name is Joke, owner and founder of Genesis Home Staging and business mentor. Let me tell you, open houses are where I started. Think about it. The agents that you want to work with, they're already there. You don't need to go find them. The home is open and everybody is welcome. I was nervous at first, but over time, I built my confidence by just doing it and doing it and doing it. And it has become the gold mine that helped me build relationships with local real estate agents that has turned into endless referrals. This is why I have created the open house guide to help you navigate and ensure that when you visit, you turn those visits into business that will keep on giving. In this guide, you're going to learn how to approach agents with confidence, even if you dread networking like I used to. What to do before you go, what to say when you get there, what not to say. And then after the visit is done, how to turn those visits into business that will keep on giving and turn you into the local expert. No cringe-worthy sales pitches, just expert advice that's been proven to work. So if you're serious about marketing your business and you have no fancy advertising budget, the open house guide is going to be your gold mine. Click the button below and download your guide now.